Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Chanel reveal. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at TrishDLF. So, let me address something first before I continue with my reveal. If you notice something different, it's because I got braces. And I'm sorry if my speech sounds a little different because I'm still trying to adjust to my braces. It is, however, the sapphire ones, I think, so it's not gonna be as obvious. So at least I can still do my videos without it being like really out there. But yeah, just a PSA in case you notice me speaking kind of differently. I did get braces back in high school, but I wasn't wearing my retainer, so my teeth moved a little bit forward, and now I have to correct it again, hence the adult braces. So kids, if you're watching, wear your retainers, or else you're gonna have to go through adult braces when you get older. Now, on to the main subject of this video, the Chanel reveal. Now, this bag, guys, I've had this since last year. Yes, last year. I didn't want to reveal it yet because, again, I didn't want to promote conspicuous consumption. I try to really spread out my unboxing / reveals, and especially if it's like a thing that's this major, I don't really wanna, have it one after the other. I got this last year, maybe end of last year, and it's almost end of this year. And I think that this bag definitely completes my Chanel Classics collection. Well, at least for now. So yes, this bag is a classic, and if you can hear the chains, you might already know what this is. So yeah, I'm just gonna reveal it to you guys, and I'll talk more about it once it's out. So, are you guys ready? So this bag just came with a dust bag. And are you guys ready? It is the Chanel boy bag! Yay! So this is the Chanel boy bag in the black calfskin leather with ruthenium hardware, and it is in the old medium size. I got this bag from Love Polly Luxury last year, and I will link her Instagram down below. I also got my FENDI mini peekaboo from her, I think early this year. But yeah, for this specific bag, I got it way back last year. This bag only came with a dust bag and no authenticity card, but it still had its serial sticker intact, so I was confident that I was going to be able to authenticate it. I had this authenticated by Zico Authentication, the best in authenticating Chanel. So especially with the boy bag is much harder to authenticate than the regular classic flaps. So I felt like this was something that I really had to get authenticated first, so I had it authenticated, and it is authentic. I feel like with the prevalence of fakes and replicas nowadays, though, it's very important to have your pre-loved Chanel authenticated by third parties. Especially for Chanel, you are spending a lot of money, so might as well have the peace of mind and have it authenticated by a third party. So I'll just walk you guys through the bag. Again, it's in the black calfskin leather with ruthenium hardware, and it comes with this shoulder strap. The chains are pretty heavy and substantial, and what I like about this bag is that you can wear it on the shoulder, and it's also a great bag. You can adjust it and you can wear it as a crossbody. Yes. So this is the overall shape of it, and this is the condition that it came in, although I did have to restore it a little bit. I'll talk more about that later on. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and you just open it as so. This is just the closure. You just press both sides, and then this is what it looks like inside. It has a pocket, and everything else is just plain black. I did, however, buy a bag organizer for this just so I can maintain the shape, because I will tell you guys a story of the condition that this actually came in and the reason why I had to actually do some restoring on it. So this bag I got for a very good price last year, and the reason that I got for a very good price was that it actually needed restoring. As you can see, when the light hits it, this area is a little bit brighter because I did some restoring on that area as well as the back area. So the thing with this bag, which is why I got it for a great price last year, was that it had dents in the front, and by dents I mean like really deep dents. The reflection of the light that you see right now is more of just because I used the heat gun on it. But if you saw this bag prior to that, it was like a really deep dent. It had like 2 deep dents on 2 quilts, which was really hard to remove. I'll put a picture as so, but yeah, it had those dents in the front, and then at the back it was deformed. Like this area, the back area, as you can see, I'm gonna try to angle it towards the light a little bit more, but as you can see, I kind of used a heat gun on here as well because the back, it was already like dented. This back area was dented, and it's more of because when you wear this bag crossbody, it really hits the back area, hence it denting. So originally when I got this bag, this entire back portion was slanted. It's not the same as the front where it's curved. It was already like slanted a little bit, so I really had to do some restoring on that part. I had to buy a heat gun and a few products, and I guess I was also kind of just lazy. That's why I never got to restoring the bag until later this year, and that's the reason why I'm only actually revealing this to you guys now, because I kept on procrastinating the work that I had to do on it. Although I've already worn this a few times throughout the past year, I just never posted pictures with it, or I never really revealed it on the channel yet until now, because I only really had the energy to do the restoration work on it now. So yeah, those were the main flaws why I got it for cheap. If you guys want to know how much I got it for, just comment down below and I'll respond to your comments really quickly. But yeah, those were just really the main flaws that this bag came in, and I think I was able to restore it quite well. It's not perfect, as you can see when the light reflects. You can see the flaws, but without the light, I think I did a pretty good job in removing the dents. So I actually did a full restoration video on this bag, and I'm going to be posting it probably next week or the week after. It's a full detailed guide on how I was able to remove the dents on this bag. The shape of it as well, because I swear it was really soft. This area was really soft when I initially got it. So thankfully I was able to fix it just with a heat gun and a steamer. So those were the things that I used in fixing this bag, and I'll be posting that video next. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this boy bag. This actually really completes my classics collection because I always wanted the boy in the ruthenium hardware, and this was the perfect bag. This was the perfect color combo for my style, I feel like. I actually really like the ruthenium hardware. I initially wanted the reissue in the ruthenium hardware. I didn't really want a gold hardware reissue, but I got that bag for such a great price way back when, and I haven't seen a reissue in gold or in the ruthenium hardware in that price since. So I'm glad that I was able to get the boy in the ruthenium, because at least I have my ruthenium hardware fixed already. The ruthenium hardware with black, and especially with a boy bag, is very iconic, I feel like. I like the ruthenium hardware more versus the gold when it comes to the boy bag. I feel like this is the total iconic boy bag look. Ruthenium with the black calfskin leather. So yeah, that's about it with my Chanel boy bag. I'm so happy I finally got this, and I'm only revealing it to you now, although I've had it for quite a while. I'm so excited to like put her on the shelf because my flap collection is finally gonna be complete. For now. I really love my collection of black bags, and I'm really just the basic classic girl, so having everything in black and in the basic hardware and in the most iconic combos, I feel like that's just a really great collection for me. So yeah, this is the boy bag. Again, I will just do another round of what it looks like. This is the bottom, sides, and over here have it crossbody, and yeah. So watch out for the restoration of this bag because it's going to be a pretty exciting video. Honestly, I feel like I could have done better on this restoration, but I was a bit impatient. I think later on I'm gonna try to even this out, but for now this will do. You can't even really see the dent anymore. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I just need a lot of conditioning, and I need to use this bag so that it'll eventually go back to its original form. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, and if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at TrishDLF. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!